So, um, so currently now they have moved up a level in their plan or in their tactics. They're now resorting to banging on my door now in the morning. Um, I live in an apartment. There's like multiple other people in it, so usually when somebody's knocking on the door, I would usually expect this for one of the tenants. And usually they would answer the door. But since yesterday, um, there's been knocking on the door and no one answered. And I wasn't expecting anyone because usually all the people that I know would call me first before they came over. So um, I'm honestly not sure how to feel about this shit right now. I mean, I'm not really scared and like, you know, so all I gotta do is not answer the door. It's not like they can break in without getting caught or some shit. But I don't know. I'm a bit worried, Also, still being, you know, hit with direct energy weapons and shit. So still got that out, but I guess now they're progressing. I guess I don't know, or escalating their tactics or some shit because they realize that I'm not giving in. You know, I'm not gonna sit there and give in to the messages that they give me. You know, they put messages in my head, tell me to like, just do like, bad shit, like steal something or to, I don't know, it's like just do like just terrible shit, and I don't want to do that, but and then like if I deny it, they'll like send some message about like saying you're a bitch or try something like try to make me feel like confident for not making that decision, you know. So anyway, I guess that's nothing. Right? I'm gonna I'm gonna try to get some sleep. So I guess until then, this is Target on site, getting out of sight, and I'll see you guys the next video.